Epita Society ka way na kislam ka berpet kerpang ya ki brio ki beduna haki department Hadekia West East Jante Hills District haka laiterik unok pra arja arpusau kala rakye ya kasengi kerpang Gibriu Beduna hagi department lani ke International Day of Person with Disabilities halor kapang applying the leadership of persons with disabilities for an inclusive and sustainable future kabala penlong haka pelau kadai ke society. Hakane kasengi lawan banya simpenta da Deputy Commissioner ka East Jante Hills District Shivansh Awasthi kum ukongsan haringkat ke jiadon lang uba Spear Singh Paslen DSP East Jante Hills District kum usembut kongsan ke kong Basok Karbitai Secretary DLSA East Jante Hills District nalor kiwe. Hakane kasengi Deputy Commissioner ka East Jante Hills District ula pliru yo maunong rem nakabenta banshna hostel yaki baduna department ki bawan na ki jaka bajengai bansha hikai bikin yo jakasa banaka liang ke society kalasa yaki wheelchair shaki bashitam banyat banyeng. Haba ajin kran hakane kasengi Shivansh Awasthi ulaang ke sarkar kami kumjo ke sarkar jalla kalayale banwat kilat kilenti ban penbahasu ya ka hok ke rukam ki brio ki badan jingduna la ka long ha ka rukam bahakam ka bah puli puthi bat kumjo ro ka jing penstam ki brio ki baban ben yaki nalor kata ulaang ru ba ban pet yaki kum ki brio ki badan jingduna henry kum ki brio ki badan ya ka jingla ka ba compare namar wat la kim biang department kum balong lem ki babun balang henry ki la pat ban le ka ka ba kerpang.
Thank you, madam. And sir, you see.
As you know that a new act, Rights of Persons with Disability, was passed by the Parliament of India in 2016, where many new disabilities have been added into it, and also few more entitlements have been provided to you, like reservation in central government jobs, reservation in central government universities, free education in all the colleges which are run by government, as well as certain things like any kind of discrimination against a person with disability has been made a legal offence. Anyone can go to jail for 6 months if they do anything which is insulting or anything that is harmful for a person who is with disability. And one of the most important thing, the change that has come in last 5-6 years is the attitude and the mindset of public, the attitude and mindset of government towards persons with disability has changed. First, the most important thing was that from our Prime Minister, it was told that it is not that these people are disabled. They are differently abled. Because someone may not have something, but they may be special in something else. So we need to acknowledge in every person there is something special, and we need to take out that kind of potential out of that person.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya